Contemporary molding installation video. Our new line of flexible contemporary wave moldings was developed to be the easiest, quickest, and most affordable way to achieve that clean contemporary look. Our new line of flexible moldings give you the option of applying them to either a flat or radius wall with equal ease. The industry is full of rigid and brittle panels that must be seamed together on each edge. This time-consuming process is both slow and far more expensive to install. Today we're going to show you the ease and simplicity of using flex moldings. The first thing you must decide is pattern density. By simply putting the moldings closer or further apart, you can deliver dramatically different looks. The other option is to move the molding horizontally left or right, as these options give the designer another look. Once this is finalized and you've figured out the density that you want to do, it's now time to install the molding. If you look on the side of the molding, there's an arrow. When you install your moldings, you can have all of the arrows point up or all the arrows point down. This keeps a uniform pattern look. Now, just because the arrows are up or down doesn't mean you have to do that. We have clients that mix the direction of the arrows for another look. Again, the choice is yours. I suggest using a horizontal guide board when installing any of the flexible wave moldings. The guide board, as you can see, actually will hold the material and allows the installation to be done by one carpenter instead of two. When gluing the particular material to the wall, we use standard wood glues. Type Bond 2 wood glue. If you think a stronger hold is needed, we've even used construction adhesives. I use a 23 gauge micro pinner. These particular nails are so small you can barely see them when they go in the material. When you do apply your primer over the whole job and get it ready for paint, these nail holes are so tiny the primer fills them in. Once you've installed all of the big pieces, it'll be now time to install and connect piece number 2 to piece number 1. When blending long pieces together, we always blend on the narrowest width section of the molding. By doing this, you keep your blending area the smallest it can be, and of course, the minimum time. All molding can be cut using standard chop saws, using a fine-tooth blade. For outside corners, we just cut a 45-degree edge and fit it just as you would for any standard wood profile wood molding. As you can see by the video, the process of installing these flex moldings is quite easy and simple. There is no hidden secrets or techniques to it. Now that we have the installation completely done, I like to use caulk on all the edges, but what I do on the seams is I will use an automotive body filler. Automotive body filler is a catalyzed material that catalyzes quickly and sands beautifully. Once you do this, the next step is to apply a high fill primer over the entire project. This high fill primer fills in all the imperfections and it's easily sandable for a perfect surface ready for paint. I hope you've enjoyed the installation instructions today, and I hope they have helped you. If there are any questions that I haven't covered, feel free to call Pearlworks at any time.